at least one heart-stopping moment where we have no idea where our kids are, happens at a park or a mall, or even they're just not where we expect them to be. And it is absolutely terrifying. Apps on smartphones like Life 360, even Find My Friends, work great with older kids. But what about for younger ones? What's the best way to keep a watchful eye that isn't a smartphone? With the help of our editor Nathan and his two sons, 9-year-old Oscar and 6-year-old Harry, we tested a few great options, starting with Jiobit. This tiny tracker slips into a pocket or clips right onto a belt buckle, even a shoelace, pairs with an app on your smartphone, and can track your kids in real time, basically anywhere in the world. It uses progressive beaconing, which is a combination of Wi-Fi, cell networks, GPS, and Bluetooth. That means the battery life lasts a whole lot longer than normal, up to a week on a single charge, and it's even waterproof. But the best part is that you can set geofencing and get alerts, say if your child leaves home and when they arrive at the playground. So that's a ton of added security for knowing where they are. But what about the security of the device itself? Well, the company says Jiobit's double encrypted, COPPA compliant, and equipped with a security chip to prevent anyone from tampering with it.
How do you bridge the energy of a studio session with the benefits of a one-on-one session? With artificial intelligence and personalized instructor feedback, you can take with you anywhere. Meet Otari.
What is up, Otari fam? Kenny here, and we got 20 minutes of strength and HIIT coming your way.
A yoga studio and fitness experience that you can take everywhere.
Exhale, open the arms out, coming into a warrior two.
An adjustable magnetic camera tracks your movements, then the AI takes it from there.
Otari, how am I doing?
Ground down into your front big toe, pinky toe, and heel.
Otari helps correct your form in real time
And spiral your chest up a little more towards the sky.
and personalizes your workout experience by understanding how your body is moving.
Let's push this pace a bit more. Come on.
On-demand and live stream classes just became personal
All
sessions
the way to the end. Let's do it.
with
Come on,
world-class
come on.
instructors and a community that is connected with group challenges and live leaderboards. It's a personalized studio experience with the analytics you need for guidance and motivation. Personalized, portable. A journey that's uniquely yours. With Otari.
Introducing Maego, the world's first AI robot car for target shooting game and coding. Together with its blaster, it can transform any location into a fun and exciting battlefield. Maego's autonomous system automatically detects and avoids any obstacle. See Maego's health in real time as it takes hits. Maego is engaging and fun. Place programmable signs to allow Maego to gain 1 health or fully recover. You make the rules. Lock, load, and shoot your target down. Want more? Upgrade your battlefield, design your own game. And play with your friends. Work together to defeat all the enemies. Program Maego with your phone. Practice your coding. Discover all of Maego's programmable features and unlock your potential.
We moved in last week and we absolutely love it.
So what do you think of the new digs?
It's amazing.
Right? So much better than before. More comfortable, safer, easier to clean, multiple entrances.
No!
Oh yeah?
Yeah, plus we bought this ridiculously comfortable mattress. I had an accident on it.
Happens all the time.
I know, but I thought that she would be angry, and then it turns out cleanup was a snap.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
Yeah. And the best part is, when you're ready to move, you just fold it down and go. Easy. You guys should really think of upgrading too.
You know, I think we... Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Don't you and your dog deserve better too? Hi, I'm Zell, the co-founder and CEO of Digs. Like you, we're obsessed with dogs and want great-looking, easy-to-use, and well-designed products. So we created Revol, the best dog crate ever. From food to collars, we buy our pets the very best. So why do we continue to put them in this? Standard dog crates are ugly, hard to use, impossible to store and transport, and worst of all, they can be unsafe. The Digs Revol Dog Crate is designed to be as easy to use as it is on the eyes. It has 3 doors for easy access, a pull-out tray for comfortable cleaning, and a puppy divider, so Revol can grow with your pup. We are also launching Snooze, an orthopedic memory foam mat designed to fit perfectly into your Revol crate. Made from the same foam found in the best baby mattresses, this water-resistant crate mat has a soft, tear-resistant outer shell because, well, you know. And while it looks great in your home, Revol's revolutionary collapsing mechanism makes storage and transportation a breeze. Because when pet products fit effortlessly into your home and life, you can focus on what matters most, your dog. We've put a lot of research and work into making the world's best dog crate. Now we need your support to bring it to market. If not for us, then for them. Well, them.